What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today we're diving into the best CarPlay AI box that can completely upgrade your car's infotainment system without changing your head unit. If you want smarter navigation and more entertainment on the road, you're going to love this. Let's get started. The AutoCast P3 CarPlay AI box is designed to turn your compatible car into a fully connected smart hub. It runs on the latest AutoDrive 2.0 operating system based on Android 12, which means the interface feels modern, smooth, and easy to use. Everything is clean and well organized, so you can quickly access your favorite apps while driving. One of the biggest highlights of the AutoCast P3 CarPlay AI box is that it supports wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. That means no more messy cables. You simply connect once and your phone links automatically. You can access calls, messages, maps, and music without plugging in your device every time you enter the car. It makes your daily drive much more convenient, but this device goes beyond basic phone integration. The AutoCast P3 opens the door to a full entertainment system inside your car. You can download and use apps like Netflix, IPTV, and many more directly from the box, so while you are parked or waiting, you can enjoy your favorite shows or streaming content right on your car screen. It truly transforms your dashboard into a smart media center. Another powerful feature is the split-screen ratio setting. You can run two apps at the same time and adjust the screen layout with options like 3:7, 5:5, and 7:3. This means you can keep navigation on one side and media controls on the other. It makes multitasking simple and keeps important information visible without constantly switching between apps. Personalization is also a big focus here. The AutoCast P3 CarPlay AI box allows full homepage customization. You can arrange widgets, shortcuts, and key tools based on your preference, so whether you care more about maps, music, or system tools, you can set it up exactly how you like. It feels more personal and tailored to your driving style. Performance monitoring is another smart addition. The system lets you check real-time details such as CPU usage and network speed. This helps you understand how the device is performing and ensures everything runs smoothly. It adds a layer of transparency and confidence, especially if you use multiple apps at once. Overall, the AutoCast P3 CarPlay AI box blends connectivity, entertainment, and intelligent control into one sleek device. It upgrades your existing system without complicated installation and brings modern smart features right to your dashboard. Smart driving starts here. If you want to make your car more connected and entertaining, this is a fantastic option. Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more exciting product videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.